Hello, my name is Brent McCall, and I'm a part of the product development and technical support team here at Metra Home Theater Group. And today I'm introducing you to the Metra Home Theater Structured Wire Panel Solutions. There are 3 panels in this series, a 14-inch, which is this one, a 20-inch, and a 28-inch. All 3 panels come equipped with these common features. They're all fully grommeted, so you can maintain your vapor barrier. All 3 panels have the ability to add 110-volt boxes, so you can put power inside the panel. And all 3 panels are pre-perfed for the vast majority of aftermarket insert modules for coax, networking, security products, those kind of devices. All 3 panels also have as options front door panels. All 3 panels for the different sizes include the ability to add up to 4 cooling fans right into the door to maintain proper circulation within the panel. All the door panels also include locking mechanism and key sets. These products are in stock and shipping now.